Way they go. South Pearl, Generous Gent, moving up by the red is Doña Leonora. It's now Doña Leonora, Lucky Touch. And on the further outside is South Pearl. And comes firing Hilton Manila Magic. Also their Slam Shot. It's now entry number 11 paring Hilton South Pearl in the middle, Manila Magic alongside Spellbinder down in 40, running in fifth, Doña Leonora. Islam Shot rushing up is Sweet and Gorgeous. Manila Magic, South Pearl, Sweet and Gorgeous, paring Hilton, Lucky Touch is sneaking Danori inside. Last 450. It's now paring Hilton. And on the outside is Lucky Touch, Sweet and Gorgeous, South Pearl. As they race the final corner, paring Hilton, Lucky Touch from the outside. Doña Leonora sneaking down on the inside, Pisho, Therapy shining gold, and on the outside, Slam Shot with Angle South Pearl, and nearing the finish line, paring Hilton by some 4 lengths now, Lucky Touch, Slam Shot, and finally paring Hilton. Slam Shot, Lucky Touch, close, Doña Leonora, pound for pound, and Pisho, Terra Fish for your Super Sais.